for this problem, we are looking at a triangle with a sculpture, right? But it's described basically like this with three small spherical masses connected with massless rods, right? And they're saying find the kinetic energy of the sculpture if it rotates with angular velocity at 4 rads, right? Well, we have to make a lot of assumptions here because we're only given the rads of the angular velocity. So when we look at this, we have to make sure we find certain variables such as let me just write the equation out. We need to find k. We need to find a. We have a lot of equations that we don't have. We also know that for each calculation, we need to find the perpendicular distance from each sphere to the axis of rotation, right? And we'll model each sphere as the point. For the axis that's going to be passing through, this is going to be B, this is going to be C, this is going to be A, right? That's going to be passing through C and B. It's going to have to be 0 because we're looking at, because it doesn't really contribute to the inertia, right? Moment of inertia. So only A really contributes. And if we're going to give it a random number, let's just say MA, right? Mass of A. It's going to be 1 or something. And then we also have the RA, which is going to be the length between here, right? RA. And we have to find that distance as well, right? So after we understand that between, let me write it again here, B and C, there's a rod that's not really helping with the inertia. We can do it with the equation of MA plus MC, right? Because B is not really helping. And then when we plug in the, I'm sorry, it's MA RB, which I'll name this as RB, plus MC plus RC times RC, I'm sorry, RC squared, these are squared by the way, will give us our kilograms per meter squared if they gave us more information on this problem. Later on, then we can find that that it's 4 radians per second, right? That's initially we gave us, and we know that KE is 1/2 over IW squared. And if we were to plug that in, we found I earlier, which was our kg, meters per second squared. And then we have the W, which is just this. We can find our answer in joules. So yeah, we just need more information on the sculpture itself, and then we can make assumptions on what the answers might be. Thank you.